Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today I'm starting a brand new project pan. Now this project pan is different from anything else I've ever done before because this project pan is going to be focused on my nail polishes. I have 12 nail polishes in my collection and ultimately I would like to finish every single one of these this year. I don't really have a reason for doing this other than I would really like to get all of my non-cruelty free nail polishes out, but I do have some that are cruelty free and I just kind of feel inspired to refresh. I just kind of want a fresh start. I feel like 2020 has really kind of put things into perspective for me. I just kind of feel like I'm ready to get through these, let go of some nail polishes that I've had for a really long time, and I think this is a good way to do it. I threw a nail polish in one of my project pans for 2020. As you guys know, I really enjoyed the fact that I was actually using a nail polish up. I have never finished a colored nail polish in my life, so I just really enjoyed the process and I was like, you know what? I'm ready to start fresh with all of my nail polishes in my collections. Now, this is actually a collab project pan as well. This will be going all year with my friend Josie. I will put her channel and video down in the description for you guys. She will also be doing this with me. And I'm really excited. I like doing collabs with my friends especially because it just keeps me kind of motivated. So definitely make sure to give her some support as well. And let me get into what the rules will be. So generally, like I said, this will be a year-long project pan. Our updates will be going up on the 28th of every single month this year. So expect 12 updates, including the finale, which I think is really exciting. This is obviously the intro, and I'm really hoping that this is successful because I would love to get my nail polishes out of here. It will be a rolling project pan because, like I said, I do have 12, but we didn't want to limit ourselves to just one nail polish and then have to focus on that one nail polish until it's used up. That's a lot, and it can very easily burn you out. So what we're doing instead is we're going to be focusing on 3 nail polishes at a time and rolling through those either when we finish them, when we get tired of them, or when we just kind of generally need to give it a break, or if it goes bad, if it gets goopy or dries out on us, then that is a good time for us to refresh as well. Every update or so, we will be focusing on 3 nail polishes and hoping that we can get those out of our collection. How we are considering polishes to be done is either when they go bad, like I said, they get goopy and we can't really use them anymore. When we generally can't get any polish out of them, if we can't complete a full set of nails in a polish, then it is considered done. If you really don't like the polish anymore, you can also declutter it, but that doesn't count towards actually finishing it. But overall, it would get your numbers down. So if that's something you're focused on, that would kind of work, but it's not going to be like I panned this if you decluttered it. Does that make sense? As far as how often we plan on doing our fingernails, I plan on trying to at least do it once a week. I've been getting into the routine of painting my nails on Sunday and Monday just to kind of start out my week. I started this process today. I painted my nails today with one of the colors that I do plan on focusing on for January or for this next month. So let me go ahead and introduce you guys to the colors that I actually plan on starting out this project with, and I think they fit the January theme. I'm gonna try and make my colors like seasonal, that way it's easier to use them. So the first color is the one that I'm wearing on my nails, which this is a Revlon color stay in the color Love Struck. It's this really pretty sky blue, and I think it'll be really nice for like frosty, icy looks, and I just really like this color. This is one of the oldest nail polishes in my collection now, and it just needs to kind of go. It's also by Revlon, which you guys know isn't cruelty free, so I would like just to kind of use this up, get it out of here. I've been moving, and now I'm shaking it, so it has not resettled, but I'm pretty sure it was about halfway done when I looked at it earlier. So I think that is entirely possible to get this guy out of here, especially if I'm putting it on my fingers and my toes for about a month. I think it should be pretty easy to get through. The second polish that I want to focus on is actually a top coat, and this is a holographic top coat. I've had this guy also for a really long time, and this is also by Revlon. This is in the color Holographic Pearls. Like I said, it is a holographic top coat with little holographic sparkles on it. It's absolutely beautiful. It looks pretty over a nail polish. It also looks pretty on its own. So I think this is another one that will be really easy for me to get through. Now this one is pretty full. It is still like all the way up here, but I've had this for years, so I'd love to get a better dip in that. And then the third nail polish that I'm going to be focusing on for this month is going to be an Essie nail polish. This is in the color Playdate. I've also had this for an incredibly long time, and it is a little bit of a springy color, but I feel like it will be good going into the warmer months because I feel like this one will take me a while. I feel like Essie nail polishes last a pretty good bit. So I'm going to start focusing on this one because this was one of the first ones I ever bought. I remember, I think I was still living in South Carolina when I bought this guy before I moved to Charlotte. So it's been in my life for a very long time, and I would like to get some progress in this, obviously. It is about to the S right here, so it does have a good bit to go as well. But I am very hopeful that I will be able to get through these. In each update, I will also be showing you guys pictures of my nail polishes if I've done anything interesting. If not, I don't think it's that exciting. You guys will be able to see in videos if my nails are painted or not, but if I do anything super interesting or I feel like my nails look good one day, I will take pictures so you guys can see them in all of my updates. Otherwise, we will just be doing progress pictures. I'll also be showing you guys weights of all of these to show progress that way, and I will be telling you how many times I paint my nails every update. I don't think it will be that many. I don't think that's as exciting, but definitely progress pictures and weights. So going forward, we can see how much I'm actually using these and how long it actually takes to get everything done. And I am so excited. I am hoping that I can actually completely wipe out my nail polish collection this year and finish them. And I think it will be so nice to kind of end the year fresh. I'm thinking as a general like celebration, like if I finish a nail polish, you guys can help me shop for nail polishes and pick nail polishes that you guys would like me to buy. Maybe I can do polls or tell me, I'll be like, leave a comment in future videos whenever I finish one, and then we'll buy new nail polishes together in that way. I'm thinking that could be fun. But let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this project, if you're excited or not, if you like the idea of being able to help me shop for future nail polishes. Let me know if you like that as well. And I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope everyone had a good holiday. I feel a little out of practice because I've taken like a week and a half off of filming, and it feels a little weird to be back, but I'm very excited to be back. I'm really excited to wrap up this year and start fresh with you guys. And again, thank you guys so much for sticking around with me this year and for just all of the support. It's been amazing. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, because again, there are lots of new project pans coming up. There are some good finales coming up, and I'm really excited to start this new year with you guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you're interested. And remember guys, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from